Hi there guys. Today I wanted to show you what happens with one of these Mikrotik devices, the Cube. It had a bit of an accident and broke the back of it, so we opened and disassembled it. So let's disassemble it now and show you what's on the inside. So first we take off the top here, and there you go, that's what we get inside. And it's got a 5 and a 60 gigahertz antenna. This is a reflector thing that's just put across there with some clips. And inside here then you have, this is the what I believe to be the 60 gigahertz, and this is the 5 gigahertz antenna with one polarity connected there. So yeah, in fact this is the unit we're looking on the back here. It's a CubeG-5ac60adpair. AD. So it's actually what do we call the paired unit. So it's actually comes as a pair, factory default, set together with the two of them. And there you can see on the back here the crack that's happened from having dropped it from a couple of meters in a bit of a hole up here. So it had a bit of work needing. So there we go, that just plops on there. And now we can pull this one out and we'll take a look on the other side of it. And there you can see it here, the Cube 60 again, G, and the circuit board and everything with a very nice heat sink on it. As you can see, the brackets there, they just broke out when it dropped. And there's a little rubber thing here. I'm not really sure if that's where it's supposed to go, because it had just fallen away with all the rest of the stuff when it was dropped. So we don't know where it was actually supposed to be, but I guess that's where it goes. And here you can see the inside of the cover. It's got some sort of plasticky thing here sticking out, a double layer of some sort. Not quite sure what that's for. And it's connected together with a sort of a lip. If you look here, you can see a little bit of the lip left here from when I opened it. It's ground away with a angle grinder. So it has been soldered up again, as you can see here. And so yeah, here basically it's been, no, we haven't liked that, and we have to put a grinder in here and a screwdriver to pry it open, and then you can, because it's all very well glued together. So yeah, now we'll go and have a look at the grinder, how we did that. So yeah, here's the grinder, and literally we just bring it up to here and then grind it slowly but surely across here, being very careful to keep as much as possible to the grey side. So you actually cut away the white side, so the white side you cut away and leave the grey, and then you can see I went a bit deep there. You can see it's gone through, so don't go so deep, and just slowly work your way around and grind it. Pry it open then with a screwdriver. As you grind it, just pry the corners in particular and pry it open, something like that. So yeah, there we go. So, and one last thing is that we've used a SXT SQ5 level 4 license. I'm using that. The back of that one is exactly the same as the 60 gigahertz. Combination 5 gigahertz was that. So literally you've opened that one up. Oh, there's the inside of that one. That's what they look like. And that back unit is exactly the same. If you look there, you'll see that's more or less exactly the same. So I'll be putting that one on instead of that one, and then should be back to new again. And we'll just put some silicon kit, rubber kit. Actually the rubber kit is the best, because then Rubber stays rubber once it dries, and you can also easily get it open again if you need to. So I'll just use a clear see-through rubber silicone pistol thing. That's about it. Yeah, so that's me, Daniel Beckman from the Netherlands. We're a wireless internet service provider over here up in Friesland, way up in north of Holland, and yeah, we love to do this sort of thing. So hopefully you'll be back. Don't forget to hit the like button, and of course hit the subscribe button as well if you can, and who knows, see you again.